Hello and welcome to our podcast series. And this is the episode of our podcast where we talk about smart money moves to secure your financial future. In today's episode, we will be discussing 10 smart money moves that you can make to ensure that you have a secure financial future, whether you are just starting out or you have been working for a while. These tips will help you make the most of your money and build a solid financial foundation. So let's dive in. Number 1, start budgeting. The first smart money move is to start budgeting. This means keeping track of your income and expenses and figuring out where your money is going each month. Budgeting can help you identify areas where you can save money and avoid overspending. Number 2, automate your savings. The second smart money move is to automate your savings. This means setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your saving account each month. This helps you save money or us without even thinking about it. Make it easier to build up for your savings over time. Number 3, pay off debt. The third smart move money is to pay off debt. If you have any credit card or debit card or other debt, focus on paying it off as quickly as possible. The interest you pay on debt can add up quickly, making it harder to reach your financial goals. Number 4, invest in retirement. The fourth smart money move is to invest in retirement. This means setting aside money for the future in a retirement account like 401k or IRA. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow and the more you will have saved when you retire. Building an emergency fund. Number 5, the fifth smart money move is to build an emergency fund. This means setting aside money to cover unexpected expenses like a medical bill or car repair. Having an emergency fund can help you avoid going into debt when something unexpected happens. Number 6, buy insurance. The sixth smart money move is to buy insurance. This means protecting your assets and your income with insurance like health insurance, life insurance, and homeowners insurance. Having insurance can give you peace of mind and help you avoid financial hardships in case of any emergency. Number 7, invest in education. The seventh smart money move is to invest in education. This means taking courses or getting certificates that can help you advance in your career. Investing in education can help you even earn more money in the long run and open up the new opportunities for you. Number 8, plan for taxes. The eighth smart money move is to plan for taxes. This means setting aside money each month to cover your tax bills and avoiding a big tax bill at the end of the year. Planning for taxes can help you stay on top of your finances and avoid any unpleasant surprises come tax time. Start a side hustle. Number 9, the ninth smart money move is to start a side hustle. This means finding a way to earn extra money on the side of your main job. A side hustle can help you earn even more money and give you a sense of purpose and fulfillment. If you want to know about more on side hustle, then you can just type in the comment section and I will try to make out and check it out as quickly as I can. Number 10, keep learning about personal finance. And finally, the 10th smart money move is to keep learning about personal finance. This means reading books, taking online courses, and listening to podcasts like this one to stay up to date on the latest money tips and trends. Keep up with personal finance can help you make the most of your money and achieve your finance goal. And there you have it, 10 smart money move for secure financial future. I hope these tips have been helpful for you in your journey towards financial stability. Remember, building a solid financial foundation takes time, but it worth the effort in the long run. Start with one or two of these tips, can add more as you feel comfortable. The important thing is to get started and stay consistent. And don't forget, if you have any questions or would like to share your own tips, feel free to leave a comment or reach out to us. We would love to hear from you. Thank you for tuning in, and we will see you in the next episode. So take care and goodbye. Thanks for listening.